Hey guys, what's up? Today we want to show you the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Let's see what's in my bag. So when we got our drone, we also decided to invest in the Fly More kit, which comes with this backpack and a lot of other goods we'll show you in a second. So here's what it looks like in briefcase mode, and it's super practical, easy to get into because you pretty much just unclip this, flip it up, and all your drone stuff is right there. The DJI RC is a remote controller that delivers exceptional operating experience for DJI drones with a lightweight body. It has a 5.5-inch HD display, providing you with a 1080p 60 FPS live feed and ultra-long battery life. It also features new dual spring control sticks for more comfortable flying and supports the advanced DJI O3 Plus video transmission technology. Here tucked on the side, we have the drone. And it comes in this little carrying strap, which is nice so that it keeps all the propellers and the arms tucked away. And then under this side, you'll see all of our batteries, and with the Fly More kit, you get 2 extra batteries, which would make for a total of 3. And this is the charging dock that you could put all of your 3 batteries on, some of the charging cables, and a bunch of extra propellers. So first thing we're going to show you is the 4/3 Hasselblad camera, and unlike the Pro, it has one lens, not the zoom lens. It can record in 5.1K at 50 FPS or 4K at 120 FPS. So here you can see sensors on the drone that is used for Omni directional obstacle sensing, continuously senses objects in all directions and bypasses them quickly and smoothly, which cannot be used in sport mode, only regular flight mode. Object tracking on the DJI drone can be quick to set up. After highlighting on the RC remote, you're able to choose the direction of the drone and then click follow. When choosing the subject, we have found that if you choose to follow behind a person with a bag, the drone will sway left to right trying to find the back of the subject. The drone has no problems tracking cars or clear objects and is able to follow even after obstructions, although it will severely slow down trying to avoid objects. The user will need to exit out of tracking mode to have any control. With the newest update, you are now able to set POIs where it will track an automated flight path around the desired object. It has an advanced return to home feature, which can automatically determine the most optimal route to get back to its home point, and you can choose the best option according to your environment. As of August 2022, the Mavic 3 series drones have their C1 certification, which allows you to have a lot more freedom flying. Photo mode on the Mavic 3 Classic has several features you would expect, like auto exposure, ISO, and shutter speed for beginner users. For the more advanced users, it has 12.8 stops with a 20 megapixel 24mm equivalent camera. Mastershots is a feature that automatically creates a sequence of shots from a POI or object. This makes it easy to get shots on the go without much thought. What you see on screen is the drone going through the different shots. Once it's finished, it will return to where it started, and it'll take some time to render before you can start any new shots. Here are some examples of shots that we took. Overall, it's a fun drone with lots of features, and if this is your first drone, DJI offers learning tutorials through their controller, and this makes flying the drone a very straightforward process. We have owned photography drones in the past, but none have come with the features or the quality that DJI includes, making it well worth the price. If you're interested in our other DJI videos, click this right here.